Hey, it's Matt Leicht, your local Sarasota realtor, and today I'm at Talon Preserve and I can't wait to show you this floor plan. This is the Hallmark, which is part of the Scenic series. Now the Scenic series is a little bit smaller of a lot, but don't let that fool you because this floor plan is perfect for somebody looking to get into this amazing community with just a little bit less square footage. Let's go check it out. Make your way down this hallway to a beautiful open floor plan with tons of natural light. In this kitchen, you've got 42-inch upper cabinets, level 3 quartz countertops, all overlooking your dining room and your living room. Another option that you can build with this builder DeVasta is you can have them build as an option a pocket slider, which will pocket all the way back, which brings in that outdoor space right into your living room. And off of the living room, you'll find the master bedroom, which is actually a really great size. And then you have an awesome master bathroom. Something I love about this space is this can be a bedroom because it's got a closet, or it can be an office or a den, or really however you want to use it creatively. So down this hallway, you're gonna find a full bathroom along with another guest bedroom. Thanks for watching this model home tour. If you want pricing and floor plan options, go ahead and click the link in the video description below. If you want to view the rest of the model homes here at Talon Preserve, go ahead and watch this playlist right here. And finally, if you don't want to miss a thing in regards to Sarasota or Sarasota real estate, just subscribe.